Human physiology is the most important part of Class 11th Biology for NEET. Nearly 8 to 10 questions come from this unit alone. That is 32 to 40 marks. But many students either study it randomly or they memorize facts without understanding mechanisms. In today's video, I'll guide you through what to study, how to revise, NEET hacks, and the biggest mistakes to avoid for human physiology so you can master this unit like a topper. So, let's get started. Besides marks, human physiology is the foundation of many Class 12 chapters too. Reproduction, human health and diseases, and even ecology, indirectly depend on these basics. Understanding physiology makes Class 12th easier and gives you guaranteed marks. So treat this unit as your score booster. Let's break the human physiology unit into its 7 core chapters and understand exactly what NEET expects. Chapter 1 of 7, Digestion and Absorption. Focus on the following in this chapter. Study to understand the flow of the digestive tract, enzymes and their sources, digestive glands diagrams, absorption of nutrients, and finally, disorders. Pay attention to one NEET hack. Memorize enzyme tables as short codes. For example, MALT stands for maltase, amylase, lipase, trypsin. Chapter 2 of 7, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. Focus on the following in this chapter. Mechanism of breathing, lung volumes and capacities, gas exchange, and oxygen dissociation curve. Pay attention to one NEET hack. Remember, right shift equals more release of oxygen. This is in context to Bohr effect, high temp, high carbon dioxide. Chapter 3 of 7, Body Fluids and Circulation. In this chapter, focus on structure of heart, cardiac cycle steps, ECG interpretation, blood groups, and blood clotting. Pay attention to this NEET hack. Always revise systole-diastole timings and ECG labeling. Chapter 4 of 7, Excretory products and their elimination. In this chapter, focus on nephron structure, countercurrent mechanism, formation of urine, and hormonal control, ADH and aldosterone. Pay attention to this NEET hack. Diagrams alone can fetch 2 to 3 questions. Chapter 5 of 7, Locomotion and Movement. In this chapter, focus on types of muscles, sliding filament theory, structure of sarcomere. Pay attention to this NEET hack. Labeling questions from diagrams are common. Chapter 6 of 7, Neural Control and Coordination. In this chapter, focus on neuron structure, the synapse mechanism, transmission of impulse, and the reflex arc. Pay attention to this NEET hack. Understand steps as story sequence, not separate facts. This will help in recalling important points. And finally, Chapter 7, Chemical Coordination and Integration. In this chapter, focus on all endocrine glands, hormones and their functions, feedback mechanisms, and disorders, hyper versus hypo. Pay attention to this NEET hack. Questions are usually table-based. Make your own hormone chart. Studying human physiology is not about mugging up. It's about understanding flow, sequence, and logic. Here's how toppers study it. Step 1. Read NCERT line by line. This is non-negotiable. Many NEET questions directly quote NCERT phrases. Highlight key terms. Understand diagrams, and don't skip arrows, labels, or color codes. Step 2. Make flowcharts and mind maps. Especially for digestion, respiratory gas exchange, urine formation, cardiac cycle, hormonal pathways. Flowcharts help you revise 7 chapters in under 30 minutes. Refer to quick revision guides on extra classes for a quick 3 minutes revision, or refer to the subject-wise playlists on this YouTube channel. Step 3. Use diagrams as memory tools. Memorize heart, nephron, sarcomere, neuron, synapse, endocrine glands. Most NEET questions come from diagram labels. Step 4. Solve previous year questions. Include last 15 years questions. NEET repeats concepts from ECG, breathing mechanism, kidney physiology, hormones. If you solve PYQs, 40 to 50% of paper becomes predictable. Check these questions on test series from extra classes. Step 5. Practice chapter-wise tests. Give mini tests after each chapter. Your target accuracy should be 80% plus. Practice these tests on extra classes. Let's discuss powerful NEET hacks that students often ignore but toppers follow. Hack number 1. Memorize values or graphs for the following: lung capacities, cardiac cycle timings, blood pressure values, hormone concentration effects, O2-HB curve shifts. NEET loves numbers. Hack number 2. Learn tables, not paragraphs. Convert NCERT paragraphs into tables, flowcharts, cause-effect chains. This increases retention 10 times. Hack number 3. Understand mechanisms, not just definitions. Every mechanism has initiation, process, and end result. This helps in understanding and solving confusing MCQs. Hack number 4. Use quick revision guides to quickly browse through and revise a chapter. If you have to spend a lot of time in revision, then you are probably not prepared. Before the exam, revise the entire Human Physiology unit in 15 minutes using quick review guides on extra classes. Even hard-working students lose marks because of these simple, avoidable mistakes. Mistake number 1. Skipping NCERT diagrams. Most assertion-reason questions come from diagrams. Mistake number 2. Not understanding hormonal feedback loops. Endocrine physiology is conceptual. Mistake number 3. Memorizing without flow. Physiology is logical. If you don't understand the flow, you'll mix up steps. Mistake number 4. Ignoring PYQs. PYQs show exact patterns asked by NEET. Practice them on extra classes as much as you can. Mistake number 5. Leaving difficult chapters for later. Neural control and physiology require multiple revisions. You perform well in these and your score skyrockets. Revision is the real key to scoring 350 plus in biology for NEET. Here's a topper-style revision plan. Day 1. Study the flowchart. Day 3. Revise diagrams only. Day 7. Solve 30 to 40 MCQs. Give chapter-wise tests. Day 14. Attempt a full unit test. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times before NEET. This should be your target. Finish the entire unit multiple times. Achieve 90% accuracy in practice tests. Build automatic recall through repetition. Human Physiology is not just another unit, it's your highest scoring opportunity in Class 11. Study it smartly, revise consistently, practice daily questions, and avoid common mistakes. Before NEET, try to revise this unit at least 5 times. And if you are preparing with extra classes, you get NCERT-based revision sheets, diagrams, PYQs, topic-wise tests, and AI-driven feedback to help you score higher. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, which Human Physiology chapter do you find most challenging? I'll make a separate video for that too. Join extra classes for free today. Use the link and the promo code in the description.